We were looking for a good TV wall mount to mount our TV to the wall, and that's where we found this Mountup wall mount, and this thing has been great. So let me show you a little bit more about it. If you want to pull the TV out, you just pull it out, and because it has double hinges, it moves out really nicely and it's seamless, and you can pull it all the way out. It's really easy to secure with the 4 bolts that is provided. Now, depending on your stud spacing, you may need to use other holes than what I used here, but I have 16-inch on center studs, so I was able to use the 2 holes on this side and then 2 bolts over there. If you need to tilt your TV down, you can do that very easily by tilting it down like this. I have loosened off this bolt right here so it can move. Not only can you tilt the TV down, you can also turn it to the right and to the left, depending on where you are sitting and what to have the TV pointing. And when you want to put the TV a little bit further towards the wall, you can just push it back. Other things I like about this wall mount here, it comes with little rubber pieces in here so that when you're putting the bracket on, to mount the TV to the bracket, it's really easy to get the spacing correct. So we got one down here and we got our same thing up here. To make sure this bracket is level with the back of the TV. If you're looking for a mount to put your TV on the wall, I recommend you get this Mountup bracket here. You won't be disappointed with its ability to support your TV and its ability to position your TV on the wall.